Hello my dear friends, I am Devnandhan. In this video I am going to show you when light passes through one medium to other, its path deviates. It is called refraction of light. For this experiment, we want one plastic bottle with lid, one agarbatti, laser torch, matchbox, Dettol and water. First, we want to put one hole at the top of the plastic bottle. Then pour the water into the plastic bottle. Then take the Dettol, pour 2 drops. Then close the plastic bottle. Then take the agarbatti and matchbox. Then put the agarbatti into the hole. Wait for some time to fill the smoke. Next, close the hole and do the experiment. We can see the deviation in the light when light passes from air to water.